I'm Shake Mozart from Big City Studios, and these are the dance motions for Here to Party from our album, Kids Church Party Music. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna start with the chorus, and it goes like this. We're gonna start with a little shimmy, and we're gonna say, we're here to party. Hey, everybody, we're living for the Lord. It's about to get rowdy. We're here to party. Ho, everybody, come on, gather around. It's about to go down now. We're here to party. Hey, everybody, we're living for the Lord. It's about to get rowdy. We're here to party. Ho, everybody, come on, gather around. It's about to go down now. And then the verses have basically 4 parts. The first part goes like this. Kick your feet up, kick your feet up, kick your feet up. Come on, kick your feet up. And you're just gonna kick, all right? Not a full kick, like a half kick, all right? We wanna be careful with the people around us, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna move our elbows like this. So we're gonna say, move your elbows. Come on, move your elbows. Move your elbows. We all move our elbows. Make sure you get some action in your shoulders. Move your elbows. Come on, move your elbows. Move your elbows. We all move those elbows. Like that. For the third part, we're just gonna turn around. So like this. Turn around. Let's all turn around now. Turn around. We all turn around now. And by the end of that, you're gonna be facing the front again, just like this. Turn around. Let's all turn around now. Turn around. Let's all turn around now. And get down. Yeah, we get down now because we were lost, but now we're found. We're going to do this. And get down. Yeah, we get down, down. All right, so it's those 2 moves for that first part. And get down. Yeah, we get down, down. And then we're going to say, because we were lost, but now we're found, found. We're going to point down. And get down. Yeah, we get down, down, because we were lost, but now we're found, found. Kick your feet up. Come on, kick your feet up. Kick your feet up. Come on, kick your feet up. And move them elbows. Come on, move them elbows. Move them elbows. Yeah, we move them elbows. And turn around. Yeah, we turn around now. We turn around. Let's all turn around now and get down. Yes, we get down, down, because we were lost, but now we're found, found. Now for the breakdown of the song, we're going to be talking to the people next to us or the people in front of us. We're going to ask them this question. You here to party? And then we're going to say, I'm here to party. You here to party? Yes, I'm here to party, party. Who's here to party? We're all here to party, party. You know what time it is? It's time to party, party. Do just a little shimmy like this, and you can make it your own. You know, put your shoulders into it, put your hips into it, maybe do a little action like this. Listen, there's so much you can do with this song, Here to Party. Thank you for spending time with us as we learn these motions. This is Shake Mozart from Big City Studios, and I'll see you next time.